Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 04 to 12, Colorado, and Canyon. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. With an 18mm socket, unbolt the transmission from the crossmember and support it with a jack stand, followed by removing the crossmember. Step 3. Hold the part up and mark the frame to know where to cut. Step 4. Cut the frame on your cut lines, making sure to cut enough metal where the part sits, but not so much where there will be a gap. You will also need to cut the two wings of the transmission crossmember so that the part can slide up into the frame. Step 5. After the frame is cut and cleaned, slide the part up into place. Bolt the crossmember back into place. This will ensure the new part is welded in the right area. Step 6. Fully weld the part in. Finally, bolt your transmission back in with a 15mm socket. And you're done.